Hello my beauties, welcome to my channel. I am Sana and you are watching Sassy Sana YouTube channel. Today I am here with lots of festival outfit and festival season started guys. First of all, my best wishes to you and your family. This time I covered everything. Sari, kurti, skirt, palazzo set, everything means one in one video. Festive sales are going on. Definitely I took all the products from the sale. I did my festival shopping from Ajio, Myntra, Meesho and from local outlet too. I will request you to watch my video up to the last. Definitely I think you will love the collections. All the product size, link and price, everything I will put in the description box so that I will not waste your much time. I am so excited guys. If you like anything from my video, you can purchase from the link or directly from the website. As your wish. Now without further wasting time, let's jump into the video. So first puja shopping for my mom. I ordered this kurti from Ajio. This is from Aurelia brand. This one medium length silk material. It is a printed straight kurta with the neck tie up. Red in color and all over the body this golden printed. Round neck and it has this tie up and these golden tassel are looking so beautiful. Quality wise so good and this is very soft. In the neck it has very thin golden piping. These all are heart printed golden print and beach mein this blue color print also there. It is looking so amazing. My mom is super happy with this one. This one absolutely perfect for festival. Short hand length and I ordered in the size large for her. Bright color will look so amazing during festival time. You can style this with the palazzo pant or the patiala pant. This kurti perfect for festival season. And I think this is looking good on her too. Next one, this is for me. And this one printed indigo color. I wanted to take indigo color kurta from long time. This one indigo printed flared boat neck kurta. And all over the body this fish print and Bengalis love fish. This one pure cotton material and very comfortable. I just love this print and this is from brand Ajio. Front it has that embroidered work. It is looking so amazing. As you can see this embroidered work, fish and these birds. In boat neck also stitch detailings are there and good part is it has two-sided pockets. I ordered in the size small and seriously guys I love this kurta so much. And this has front slit also. Contrast print sleeves hems. I love the neck design, boat neck design with the embroidery work. I think it will look stunning with white contrast bottom and with the oxidized jewelry. It's long for me, I have to alter this one. But I love this print color and full indigo vibes. Yeah, next purchase for my mom. This I ordered from Myntra and brand from W. Guys, this is very beautiful and this is perfect for festival. This color is very sweet, peachy orange color. Silk material and in that it has golden jari work. And round neck, in the neck also it has nice design. This is very sober work and see the round neck design. It is looking so amazing. This golden work is looking really amazing. It has front button and they will give you extra button and thread also. And this one medium length straight cut kurta and 3/4 hand. It will give you very rich look. This will give you very perfect look for the festival. You can wear this with the golden bottom wear. Because of this jari work it is looking very shiny. And that's what we want in the festive season, right? My mom liked this kurta very much. And guys, product link, price, everything in the description box. I mentioned everything there. If you want you can check over there. Now festival season so we have to take sari, right? This sari, this is from Meesho. And this pure red rich color sari. And this one cotton blend silk material sari. This is trendy chandri cotton sari. In border also it has this chandri print. It is looking so good. I think in the Bengali puja we'll take one red sari at least. It comes with the contrast blouse piece. Same like the border. This plain sari and the contrast blouse will look so amazing. And Meesho, their sari collection, quality, price, everything on top notch. You know, literally I'm fighting with my mom who will stitch this blouse piece. Anyway, this saree is so amazing and you know price. This one only for rupees 400. Can you imagine 400 rupees made this beautiful saree? Oh my god. Next attraction, this chicken curry kurta. Oh my god, chicken curry kurtas are always my favorite. And see the color, this parrot green color. Oh my god, I wanted to take this kind of color from the long time and finally I got it. I love chicken curry kurta personally. Really, I love this chicken curry look. You can style this with the oxidized jewelry, oxidized choker and you are just good to go. This kurta looking very nice, and this is pure chiffon georgette, in that it has white embroidery work. I took this kurta from the store, but yeah, I will get same kind of products from the Ajio also, Misho also. Everything I will put in the description box, every link. Pure chiffon georgette material, and see the work. This embroidery work is very perfectly done and they made perfect finishing. Not at all looking cheap, and this is straight kurta 3/4 hand length. All over the body, on the neck, on the hand, all over the body it has nice work, nice beautiful thread work. Next is short length kurta. Oh my god, this kurta is so amazing. This material is so soft, like beyond your expectation. This material is so soft. Okay, now this I ordered from Ajio, and this is from Biba. It's floral printed round neck kurta. Material they mentioned 100% polyester. I got this one for very attractive price, only for rupees 430. I personally love their brand. This is just perfect with the jeans. This is just perfect for the daily wear. These jeans also I purchased recently. This is from Lee Cooper, and there are also very attractive sales going on. Just loving this kurta, this print, material, sleeves, everything. Everything is just perfect, and I must say this quality is like top level ka. My next purchase again sari. This sari for the Durga Puja, and this is Jamdani sari. This is from Miso. This white and red Jamdani sari. Oh my god, I just love this sari. 5.5 meter sari comes with a red blouse piece. I love to wear Jamdani sari, and this sari is very perfect for the Ashtami Puja. And this sari is very soft, so if you are very thin, you can manage this sari easily. And I can assure for anyone, this sari will look so good. I'm just loving this sari. See the finishing, they made very nicely and full all over the body. This thread work, it is looking so amazing, guys. Really, Miso, they are doing the best service. And see, this all over the body has this thread work, this pure cotton Jamdani sari, and this sari only for rupees 1000. Can you imagine? Seriously, this sari is very soft and manageable, quality wise so good. And see the border, this is just mesmerizing. Very good finishing, very nice sari. I made full video on Miso sari haul. If you haven't checked till now, please go and check that video. I can assure you, you will love all the collection. Now next kurta, this one from the FBB, and this one rich red color and pure cotton, and this all over the body golden box printed with the jari. You can wear this as like kurta or as like dress also. Cotton material and flared pattern. In front it has this golden work. It is looking so amazing. Small golden stone. Festive season pe this kind of kurta, this shiny types of kurta will give you this glam look. See, chest level pe it has this small elastic type, so it will give you the perfect shape as well as color, pattern and design. Everything I like so much. This kurta is looking so good, and it comes with the sleeves also. If you want to stitch, you can stitch it, but I like this sleeveless pattern only. Guys, one request, if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Okay, now move on to the next kurta, and this beautiful kurta from Myntra. This is actually a kurta set. This is the brand from Livas. This amazing kurta palazzo set. This green and golden oven design kurta with palazzo. Fabric is polychandri fabric, kaij extra small. This satin finish solid palazzo, and it has 2 pockets and elastic band. This golden bottom you can use for the multiple way. This green and golden A-line kurta, cuff length kurta, has round neck, sleeveless, flared hem and front slit. And this one is my favorite. This kurta is looking so good, so rich, and this is perfect for the festive season. This green kurta set look beautiful and polished even during the simple occasion or festive season. Can also style with jeans, jeggings or skirt. Next, this flared cuff length skirt. This has elasticated waistband. This maroon red color and silk material, and this kalamkari border is the main attraction for this skirt. It has very nice flared. This dori tie-up details at the waist. Quality and color is so amazing. I think this time I covered everything: sari, skirt, kurti, palazzo, everything. And style this with white or black color ka tops, jewelries and juttis. Bus, it will look like a diva. This length also perfect. I love this skirt. Now this one, this is for my mom. This is normal straight pant, cotton one, like cigar pant, and it has 2 pockets. I think one white, one brown and one black pant you have means you are just sorted. And this pant from Go Color. This has tie up in the waist, and material is very comfortable. Next one, this is cotton one and this one nude color pant. This has elastic waistband. This one brand from Avasa. Pure cotton ankle length straight fit cigar pant. She loves the material and these two pants are very useful. This material quality is too good even though it is cotton, but material is little shiny. So I next purchased this graphic printed v-neck t-shirt. Collect moments not things. I love this printed t-shirt. It's 100% cotton. I took it for everyday use. I also ordered this printed leggings. Few times I can wear this t-shirt outside. After that, this combo I will make as my night dress. That's how middle class family people will do. We don't buy separate very expensive night dress actually. Anyway, I love this t-shirt and I love this combo. They are comfortable for nighttime wearing. I love this cotton printed leggings and this is from Rio. I ordered this one also from Ajio. They are very... finally I finished. I show you all the cloth items that I bought for puja. Yes guys, that's all for today. Let me know in the comment section which outfit you like most. And I hope this video was helpful to you. Few more things are yet to come. So I'm planning to do that video too. So stay tuned. Guys, I'm requesting you don't forget to wear mask. Stay safe everyone. Now if you like this video, you know what's the deal. Like the video and share with your friends, family, XY, and please subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe guys because it is free. I have other haul video, that link I will put in the description box. Stay safe everyone. Love you guys. Wish you happy and safety Navratri, Dasera, Durga Puja. Thank you all. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you very soon in the next video. Thank you everyone.